Find positive integers x and y such that x squared minus 2 to the power of y equals 2021. Since x and y are positive integers, by rearranging equation 1, we have x squared equals 2021 plus 2 to the power of y, which is odd. So let x equal 2k plus 1, where k is a natural number. Substitute x equals 2k plus 1 in equation 1. We have 2k plus 1 all squared minus 2 to the power of y equals 2021. By expanding the perfect square, 2k plus 1 all squared, we have 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. So we have 4k squared plus 4k equals 2020 plus 2 to the power of y. By rearranging the equation, now we divide both sides of the equation by 4, and we have k squared plus k equals 505 plus 2 to the power of y minus 2. K squared plus k can be factorized, and we have k times k plus 1. So k times k plus 1 equals 505 plus 2 to the power of y minus 2. The product of any two consecutive numbers is even, so k times k plus 1 must be even. If y is greater than or equal to 3, 2 to the power of y minus 2 is even. 505 plus 2 to the power of y minus 2 is odd. So equation 2 can't hold true. Thus, y must be less than or equal to 2. If y equals 1, equation 2 can't hold true, as 505 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 can't be an even number. Thus, y equals 2. Substitute y equals 2 in equation 1. We have x squared equals 2021 plus 2 squared. So x squared equals 2025. So x equals 45. Here we take the positive solution, as we are given that x is a positive integer. Hence, x, y equals 45, 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.